Hello, welcome to Life and Pig Grow, and today we're looking at Dianthus and Carnations. Now, I sowed these about a month and a half ago. Forgot about them. It happens. Really easy, just a pinch full of seed on top of the compost, scattering the compost on top, and you end up with that. Now today I'm going to show you what to do next. Now most people think growing your own flowers is really difficult. It's not. By the way, Dianthus is a wonderful flower. It can be an annual for some people, it can be a perennial for others. Wonderfully scented, old-fashioned carnations. Smell of cloves. So I've been told. This is the French variety, and this is called Dianthus Charbaud. So let's have a look at that. So we're going to start with a peat-free compost, which I've just put in here. And take your 6-cell trays. By the way, they're really good to use these for picking out. And you can use the empty ones just to firm it down like that. That's how simple it is. Now, there you are. There's your seed tray ready. We need to now do the Dianthus. Let's move it across. How do you get all that into there? Well, I'll show you how. Now you can use anything to take the plants out, but you must always hold the plant by a leaf, like so. And then you get, I'm using my knife to do this, just tease around. There you go. And there's my plant. There you are, one plant. Now, no wasting time, straight over, dip a hole. And then you go, and that's it. And you keep repeating that back and forth and back and forth. So I'm going to show you a full tray in a minute. So there's our tray of 6 seedlings now, and now it's really important to water them. You can put them in a tray of water, you can just water from above. It doesn't matter if they flop down, they will pick themselves back up. Now you want to put them somewhere out of direct sunlight now, so they get growing and send out roots. That's how you prick on plants. It's really easy. You know, you can take a seed packet and get thousands upon thousands of plants, and you don't really need that many. Whatever you don't want, please swap, please give to other people. Get them interested in gardening. Sowing flowers is just as easy as sowing veg. We all know how to do vegetables. If you don't, then you can like and subscribe on our channel, and we'll show you how to sow vegetables too. But I want to demystify over the next few weeks how easy it is to bring on plants from seed to small little plant to big plant. So until next time, bye bye. And don't forget, if you want to know more about us, like and subscribe.